everyone, welcome back to my channel. So after sitting the whole day deciding if we should go or we shouldn't go, because today is the 5th of January and today is the last day for Winter Wonderland, and it was raining all day, so and we didn't go this time. So I was like, maybe we might not be able to go this time, so we should just go like next year or something. And whole day we were like, बारिश आ रही यार, नहीं जाते बारिश. And me, okay fine, me, I was the problem. Anyway, I was like, it's raining, so let's not. And then in the evening I decided to sit down and make a vlog for the F1 experience that we did in Abu Dhabi. And after that I was like, I'm already dressed, let's like go somewhere. And then I don't know why I wanted to go to Winter. And then after getting into a fight, obviously, see, he's not even talking to me, not even looking at the camera. After fighting, like, fine, let's go. It's already 5:30, guys. Pahunchte will be 6. And it's open till 10. Today is the last day, so I'm expecting crowds. The best time to go for Winter Wonderland is subah. 10 baje shuru hota hai. If you are there 10:30, no lines, you get in quickly. They even let you go in free sometimes. And now 5:30 is when we decide to go to Winter Wonderland. Let's see. So we've reached Winter Wonderland and we're at the red gate at the moment, and line बहुत ही कम है, so that's good. But we didn't book it online, and we didn't do the book rides were £25 and you will get entry free, so probably have to pay £5 per person for entrance. So online booking bhi, if you're booking, you can only save £5, okay? Because I tried to book for me and Dylan, so I was trying to put like £25 worth of rides and everything so that we get the booking thing off, and they are charging booking fee which is more than £5. तो एंट्री फी कैंसिल करके आप एक्स्ट्रा चार्ज कर रहे हैं एट द एंड, विच इज़ नॉट एट ऑल फेयर. उतना ओवर एक्टिंग करने के बाद भी बुक देम ऑनलाइन. सो हम रेड गेट के पास थे, एंड व्हेन वी वर गेटिंग इन लाइन द गार्ड वाज लाइक, डू यू ऑलरेडी हैव योर टिकट्स? इफ यू डोंट जस्ट वॉक अहेड एंड गो लेफ्ट. एंड देन यहाँ पे इट्स लाइक £6 per person. Online is £5 per person. Plus if you book the rides, your ticket is off. So even if you pay £6 regardless, you're only paying for one person, you're not really paying for two. After very complicated maths, we have saved £5. £5 बचत आज हुई है हमारी. Sorry guys. Have you ever been to an amusement park and you just go back to acting like a child? Because I'm right there. I have been here last year, and this year was mainly to show Dylan actually. But then we couldn't do it during Christmas because we planned it a couple of times and then it got cancelled, and then but still. I have a feeling this is gonna be a long video because this man is gonna make me try everything, and I've taken 2 shots before coming just for this, so I'm okay. just till it wears off. But this is gonna be fun. This I wanted to do anyway, so I'm excited. So we just did the ice slide and we are here for Snowjet. Looks absolutely incredible and we're gonna fly. seconds after saying the snow jet ride was it's not that fast, it went fast. But at least when we got down, we didn't fall because you know, it's going so quick and it's so fast that you know when you get out of it, your head is like spinning. So last time I slipped and fell in front of everyone. So this time I was like, I'm not gonna fall, and I didn't. So accomplishment. But yeah, Haunted Mansion next ride because we booked it online, so we have to go. क्योंकि पैसे वेस्ट नहीं होने चाहिए. So हम वही राइड्स पहले ढूंढ रहे हैं जहाँ पे हमने ऑलरेडी ऑनलाइन पे किया हुआ है. And Dylan keeps looking at Bhayanak rides because he wants to kill me, I think, slowly, eventually. हम Haunted Mansion गए, सबसे बकवास. Like, it's the most worst ride you could ever go to if you're not scared. And it was very slow, and they're just like, you know, animated things come onto you and, you know, to scare you. And I was like, okay, fine. And then there was somebody screaming throughout, okay? And I'm like, okay, I thought it was special effects to make it look scary. By the time we ended, I was like, is that the girl in front of us was screaming and shouting? And I was like, why? I didn't understand that one. We just got out of one ride. That was the one we paid for online. And then there was one ride that I don't want to do, okay? There's only one ride that, even in Dubai, in Global Village, we saw it. And I was like, you know what? It's in Winter Wonderland also. We'll do it there. But now it's Winter Wonderland. And I still don't want to do it. Anyway, I didn't see what we were getting into. And he was like, okay, let's stand in line and buy this ticket. And I was like, I saw what it was and I was like, no way, no fucking way. But we are doing it now. The idea of sexy is just wrong. Completely wrong. The amount of times I remember God when I'm on a ride like this. What does that chalu aata hai?
Just 1 minute.
It's whole 160 seconds.
Just 10 seconds.
60 seconds. 1 minute is not 10 seconds.
You count till 10. Like 1.
Our Father who art in heaven. This is how I count. For those of you who already know the rides in Winter Wonderland, it's the airborne one. Because you know it goes all the way up. And then it like puts you upside down. And it's like all the way up in the air. I am not okay. I am not at all okay with this. We're at the top. Survived that ride. It was fun actually, I have to agree. It wasn't as scary as I thought it would be because it's comparatively much slower, but it does like move upside down. That's my problem. Funniest thing was, जो पहली वाली ride थी, it was not airborne by the way, it was something else, but it was very similar to it. We sat, he locked us in and it started raining and I was like, is this some ishara from God that we shouldn't do this? Oh my god, it's special effects and everything. And I was like, okay, maybe if it's raining, they'll like pause the ride, but they didn't. Yeah, anyway. So we are gonna try like 2 more rides, like this Munich looping and Aeronaut. Aeronaut is not scary, it's just really fun. So, guys.
Guess who's sick and getting better?
Yeah, guess. I was just getting better. Oh my god, this ride was something else. Guys, it started raining just before the ride, okay? And I was telling Dylan this is not the right time to do this. But it's raining heavy. We sat in the ride and it started pouring on our face. It's the ride scary because it's like 5 hoops, yeah, and then it's like heavily raining on our face. Okay, guys, before it starts raining again, we back home. That was all for today, guys. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It is absolutely free, it doesn't cost you anything. That's what free means. Anyway, subscribe. Bye.